The other day, I bought this. I thought I was never gonna see this again.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy out there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. Woo! You know what's crazy? When the water in the toilet is moving. Why is it doing a little dance?
We're out here in Mount Maunganui. It's the same place we were at like a month ago. The place with the beach and the surfing and stuff. But it is super windy. Last night was like a storm and stuff. This is Joel. But yeah, it's super stormy and stuff. How stormy was it last night?
Yeah, it was pretty stormy, I guess.
Yeah, these blinds were shaking around. But the whole of the other side was sealed, man. That's how you know it's stormy. Amino dorime, matime,
Dorime, interrimo ad appare dorime.
Latin words. Okay, that's going. We're about to head down to the shops because I have some stuff I need to buy for stuff and things. Joel, what would you say if I told you that we're about to listen to some Latin music?
I'd say, Latin songs?
Dorime, interrimo ad appare dorime.
Worship music! We pulled up to the beach and on the drive down there was a whole bunch of people walking and they were legit leaning into the wind because it's so damn windy. So we're gonna go out there and I just want to see how windy it really is.
Oh, I'm starting to open the door.
Oh damn! Oh, damn! That was a lot windier than I thought it was gonna be, and there was like spray from the ocean that's like hitting you. It kind of hurt a little bit. It was like tick, 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 tick. All right, well that was interesting. Right, back to what we were actually gonna do.
Hold out, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty.
Alright, we pulled up to this half pipe. You can see that in the background. I wasn't planning on skating today because it's so strange. The weather, it seems like it should be raining, but it's not. She's pretty windy today. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why there's not many people out here. By not many people, I mean there's no one out here. Ready? Your boy's never been in a proper boat ramp before. I'm definitely not going to go up there and drop in, but we're gonna play around at the bottom.
My heart should break. Every piece will surely find its way. Greet each other with an old handshake. Let me go. Fall in love and do a lot of trusting.
Tony Hawk, eat your heart out.
How was that cheesecake?
Sensational.
Yeah.
My heart should stop.
Oh no.
Wait, there's a little one around the corner. Yeah.
Oh no.
I feel like a guy that's walking up some stairs.
Yeah, sometimes you do feel like that, you know?
Oh, free to say.
Oh.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Going to get some kites.
We're going to a shop, we're going to try find some kites because the weather's so crazy, it's so windy. I feel like kites is just the thing to do today.
Kites, kites.
Ooh, they're kind of pricey. No. Oh, stop. Damn. So the actual kites cost $33. We're not paying $33 for a kite, so we're gonna try and make our own. Yeah. Do you think we need a screw?
Yeah,
Driver?
I think so. So low cost.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're just driving home after getting some lunch, and look what's in our way. There is a boat in the way of our house. That's our house over there. This is the boat. So yeah, we're gonna have to. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're gonna start the kite making procedure now. We got all the ingredients on the table. We had to make a dash back to the car, which we parked out there because you guys saw that boat. And it is raining and it's windy to get these. Yes. So pretty much we got these sticks, we got this bag, we got some tape, and this fishing line thing. Alright, we're thinking of going 3 sticks this way, and then 2 this way, and we'll have our kite. A lot.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, alright, now we got 2 parts. We got this, which goes along there, and we got this big one. So yeah, we're gonna put that together now. As you can hear the wind hitting the glass. Do you think this kite is going to stand the wind?
Yes.
So do I. Now we got the cross made for the kite. We got the rubbish bag now, and this is gonna be like the stuff that goes on the kite. Oh, we have quite a few rubbish bags. Oh yeah, this is the stealth kite.
Oh yes. Oh, look at that stealth.
Could just attach a bag, like a plastic bag, to a string. It would work as the same, I feel.
You know what?
Most people like to put patterns on their kites to make them look good. Gone with the full black approach. We pretty much got the body done now. We just need to attach the string. This. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, Joel. What should we name our creation?
We should call it the Xbox. Xbox.
Let's take it to the 3rd story and fly it.
We're going upstairs.
Yeah. We're at the 3rd level of the house. Joel is the kite, as you can see, and we're gonna take it off the balcony and see if it works. All right, let's do this. As you can see, the weather conditions are not super nice. Not super nice. Oh! Test flight 1. Oh my god! Do it! Oh, ow! Alright, go! Oh, no! Dude, let it go, Joe! Let it go! Yes! Oh, no! Oh! Yes! Oh shit! Oh no! It's attacking us! Oh no! The killer kite! No! Yes, it's working! go, let more go! Yeah! Oh no. Dude, it was straight up attacking
I
us!
call that a success.
That was... Oh, my Xbox is broken.
2 hours later.
Alright, the other day, I bought this. I was in this place and I saw this, which is crazy because I thought I was never gonna see this again. This is the same boogie board I had in Thailand. We're gonna take this boogie board, and the waves, they're still a bit crazy. We're gonna see if boogie board can withstand crazy waves. I'm about to go in, tackle the waves with my boogie board. I think the current's going that way. Oh no. I didn't even catch a wave, jumped into a wave like this, and just snapped right there. I'll try to catch one more. I think the 1,000-year storm waves kind of won that battle. Whoa, what is that?
I don't know. I think it's a jellyfish. Oh.
I thought that might have lasted a bit longer, but since the board broke, on those last ones I tried catching, every wave I caught, it would just go like that, and you just couldn't really catch anything. So apparently if there's like a tsunami, they want you to run towards the hills or something. But I have a technique that will save your life every time, pretty much. If there's a tsunami coming towards you, you do this.
Make sure to subscribe.
Cause we don't know who we are. It'll take 5 days by car, but we don't know where to go. And I don't know if you know, or I don't know if you see, but baby, what's going on?